This is Chica. Chica alone generates me $2,000 a week, which is $73,000 a year. How did she become my e-commerce marketing manager? Learn in this video. If you are like me and have a furry friend running around the house, you've probably had this thought before. Could I turn this love for pets into money? Well, yes, you can. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. We are talking about something practical, exciting, and totally doable. How to make $200 a day selling pet stuff online. And why pet stuff? Because the pet industry is booming. The US pet market is expected to pass $157 billion in 2025, according to the American Pet Products Association. That's a massive opportunity. Pet owners are shopping every day, and they are not holding back when it comes to their furry friends. And the best part, you don't need to be a vet, a pet trainer, or even have experience in e-commerce. Just follow a simple plan, use ready-to-sell products, and start making sales. And let me show you what that looks like by walking you through 5 pet bestsellers you can add to your store today and how much profit each one can bring you. And let's start with one of my personal favorites, because I actually use this one myself. It's a super stylish dog carrier that doubles as a car seat. Not only does it keep your pup safe during the travel, but it also looks really great. Why it sells? More pet owners are taking their dogs everywhere. Travel-friendly pet gear is trending. Google Trends shows spikes in dog car carrier searches, especially during holidays and summer travel. And with $73 profit per sale, this one product can easily cover a third of your $200 day goal. Next up, the Car Dog Hammock. This is for dog owners who love a clean car. It protects seats from fur, dirt, and muddy paws while looking really stylish. And why it sells? Pet travel is booming. It's washable, fits most cars, and installs in a minute. Google Trends shows steady growth for dog car seat cover and dog hammock. And the profit, over $85 per sale. With just 2 sales a day, you're almost at $200. Now for something cozy. The human dog bed. Yes, it's a thing, and it's one of the most shared products on social media lately. People are loving this oversized faux fur sofa they can share with their pets. Why it sells? Luxury plus comfort is always a winning combo. It's trendy, Instagram-worthy, and gets clicks. Searches for luxury pet sofa and human dog bed are trending upward. One sale is almost a 2-day profit goal. For cat lovers, this one is a total game changer. It's a high-tech litter box that practically cleans itself and controls odor automatically. Why it sells? Busy pet owners want convenience. Sleek design plus smart features equals high-ticket value. Automatic cat litter box is high-growth search term on Google Trends. And yes, this product alone could bring you $1,000 in a single day. And finally, this gorgeous wooden cat tower. Designed for large cats. It's not just functional, it also fits perfectly with modern home decor, which makes it popular with stylish pet owners. Why it sells? Built specifically for large breeds, offers climbing, scratching, and lounging, all in one. Searches for large cat tree and cat tower for big cats are rising really fast. And again, one sale of this premium item, that's 5 days worth of daily profits of $200. So how do you start making $200 a day selling pet products? Pick trending, high-profit items like the ones we just saw. Add them to your store. You can use Sellvia's ready-to-sell product packs. Focus on marketing, and we'll handle the shipping and fulfillment for you. And here's something that makes it even easier. Sellvia also offers a special pack called Scroll-Stopping Pet Promo Videos. These short videos are made to grab attention, boost clicks, and help your pet products go viral on social media. And here's the bigger picture. Pet products is one of the 5 hottest niches in e-commerce right now. So don't stop at just one idea. With Sellvia's full 5-in-1 niche bundle, you can cover more ground, test what sells best, and win the market faster. Check out the links in the description below to stay ahead of the trends. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I will personally respond to each one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. I'm Tina, your growth manager, and I'll see you in the next one.